Previously on harVentures.
Early start. Early start.
Underground River, which is actually a national park. It's like one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. We're gonna see monkeys. Wow, that thing is huge.
Ikap na. Go.
Gosh!
Goes, 1, 2, 3, go! Wala man nasa. Nilunok niya na. We found monkeys on top of the roof.
Yep, there's a cave right there.
I'm sorry.
I think we look stupid.
The helmets are to protect us from the rock. Are you hearing music in yours? Okay.
Are you?
No. And then the life jackets are just in case we fall over.
Did they say how deep it was? I'm sure they'll tell us.
Okay, now po, you have something to your device po?
Yeah.
To our phone?
Yep, music.
Yeah, music.
We hear stuff. The world's longest navigable underground river. I'm learning stuff. Keep your mouth closed. Gonna be drippy drippy. Hey.
Hello. Cheese.
They're playing Batman music. The river is in the deepest spot right now, and it's 30 feet deep. Now you can't tell.
Clouds in the sky.
I can see you.
This is pretty cool. Oh, ducks.
T-Rex head. T-Rex head. That's pretty good. Dinosaur. That looks like a face coming down. That's that?
Yeah.
There it goes. Just flew by.
Okay, now welcome to the cathedral. So look straight at the right side. Right side. Right side. Virgin Mary formation. That one.
Giant candle. There we go.
White horse between. Pegasus.
Whoa. That's crazy.
And the Holy Family.
Wow.
The shadow. Look like Joseph and Maria.
Oh man, the shadow is ridiculous. So that's supposed to represent fruit. They call this the market. Cacao.
Corn. Popcorn.
Wow. They just made a Super Mario reference.
Baby butts.
It's a baby bat.
Eggplant. Banana heart.
That was awesome.
Carrot.
Carrot?
Carrot. Fried chicken.
What is the fried chicken?
Jollibee.
Jollibee. Dang. Oh man. It says, please keep your mouth closed when looking up. Bat poop. Guano.
Right there.
Is a snake? Wow, there's a snake right there.
Oh yeah.
No, it's alive.
Look,
He's very much alive.
Booby. Do you like to feel darkness for a second?
Yeah. Want some more dark? Close your eyes. Wow. Yep, pretty dark.
And you can go to the 4.3, so it's almost 3 to 4 hours. It's a travel.
So they said this thing is 8 kilometers long, but you can only navigate 4 kilometers by boat. But we only went 1.5 kilometers. If you want to go the full, I think he said 4.8 kilometers, you have to have a permit. This is the tallest part of the cave. It's 65 meters high. The face of Jesus in a shroud. Oh wow, yeah, I see it now. You see it? His beard? Wow. Talking raindrops.
Baby bats. Baby.
Baby bets. The Last Supper. That's so crazy. Wow.
Saint Sea Lady. She's named Sharon Snow.
Uh-oh.
Front. The front, that white color, look like naked lady. Sharon Snow.
Ah,
One. Sexy.
sexy.
See? The arm, boobs, and the bottom.
He said boobs.
You got her bottom. Perfect. What a what?
Sharon Stone.
Sharon Snow.
That's funny.
Bye, Sharon. See you later. Left corner, there, left side. The front of the ship, Titanic.
The Titanic. They're playing Titanic music. Is he singing?
Heart shape. Heart. Bonnie. Bonnie.
Poop.
Ew.
Ew. Wow, that's awesome.
We survive. The right side is the outflow of the river. Yeah. Keep it down, Bangkok.
Well, that was probably the coolest thing that we've done on this trip so far. What do you think? Coolest
I liked
thing?
it, yeah.
Coolest thing so far? Well, highly recommend this if you guys are going to make it towards this area at all. If you're going to El Nido, definitely make this a stop because you got to go through Puerto Princesa. Because I think that's the only airport around here, but definitely worth it. The camera's wet.
We went to the Cave of the Winds in Wyoming, and I think this tops it.
Well, this is one of the, seven wonders of nature, right?
Yeah.
Nature.
Yeah. Which now I'm adding that to my bucket list. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Hello, monkey. Hello, JR.
Hey there, buddy.
JR.
How you doing? All right, cool. See you later. Good talking to you. I keep trying to get Cayenne in here, but it's kind of hard walking on this stuff. This is what we're walking on. Oh my god. But our tour guide was funny. I really enjoyed that. I think that beats getting out in the sun any day, because we're already sunburnt, if you can't tell.
And eaten up by bugs.
Yeah, and mosquitoes. No mosquitoes in there. Tons of bats, snake, awesome. We're about to head back. We got to take a boat back around to the area where we came from, and then me and Cayenne are gonna pick out a mask thing. It's like, I think that's the first time on this trip. But yeah, they have these carved masks that they make out of wood, and they just look really cool. So we've been trying to figure out like what thing can we bring back from the Philippines to kind of remember this trip. I think we're gonna get something like that. And then we're headed to Puerto Princesa, because we're not actually there. I forgot the name of this city.
I know, but it's one of the Palawan Islands.
Well, yeah, no, Palawan is this entire island, but it's big. It's like Coron, El Nido.
Is it Coron or Coron?
I think it's, I don't know, either one. Yep, see you later. This is really cool. So, entrance for you, this is where it goes. Environment, sanitary, and conservation services. 40%. Land expenses, farming, cleaning, advertising, utilities. Drugs. Some of our money's going to drugs. Very small percentage, but a little bit goes to drugs.
Wow, something. Imagine mo dyan, no, meron.
Change plans, we're not getting souvenirs here. We're gonna wait until we get to the city proper. Tom got a little sick on the way back. The rest of us are getting ice cream. How's the ice cream?
Ooh, it's yummy.
Delicious.
Really?
Tell the flavors.
What are the flavors?
Tell the flavors.
Mango, avocado,
Strawberry,
and
mango, avocado.
Strawberry, mango, avocado? I don't know about the avocado, but...
And it's called dirty ice cream because it's on the streets.
Oh, okay. So it's not actually dirty.
No,
Because
dirty is on the street.
only on the street.
So obviously this is mango, avocado, strawberry.
Yes.
That's pretty good. Dirty ice cream. All right, we're back in the van. We got about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then we'll be at our hotel, hopefully. And then we'll get checked in, and then I'll check back in. Okay, bye. All right, we got checked in our hotel finally. We had to pause on the way back because Tom definitely has food poisoning. It sucks. And I know exactly what it is too. It's eggs. Just like what got me in Alaska. Freaking eggs. He was the only one to have them that I know of. I didn't have them. I feel great. Jane didn't have them. She feels great. They ordered Jollibee, which is apparently a big deal around in the Philippines, I guess.
McDonald's for them.
It's like a Filipino McDonald's, except they do have Filipino McDonald's. So, yeah. Apparently they have really good spaghetti. But I ordered an Aloha burger. You get the spaghetti?
I don't remember what I ordered.
So we're trying that. They are being delivered, right? After we eat our food with the family, I think just me, Cayenne, Jason for sure, maybe Jonan. But we're gonna go out, get some street food, and also look at souvenirs. That's our plan. Just keeping you guys updated. All right. Anything to add? Okay, bye.
Our room is $26 a day or a night.
The other thing, we were gonna have to share a room with Tom and Daisy, so we didn't really feel like doing that. So
Because Dad's sick and Josh has a lot of stuff.
I have a lot of stuff. We got our routine down. I don't feel like getting in the shower and stuff with other people. And Tom's sick, so we both need our privacy. So we went ahead and bought our own room for 2 nights, and it ended up being, it's $1,400 a night, but it ended up being $26 a night. Try to find that in America. This is the most amount of food. I don't know how they delivered it. One guy couldn't have done that. Updates. We had Jollibee. Burger was meh, Spaghetti was okay.
That spaghetti was good.
Spaghetti was good, says Can. Their fried chicken, though, ooh, that was really good. It tastes just like KFC. Another update, Jonan was gonna come with us, but he's puking too. And then I think somebody else was throwing up. So everybody's getting sick, and it's towards the end of the trip, which really sucks. Now it's me and Kayan and Jason.
Hello.
So that's it, just walking.
Thank you.
Oh no.
We're giving up, here we go. Well, we figured out where we need to go tomorrow. They're already closed today, so we gotta come back after we get done with our tour.
This one's called quack quack.
Quack quack?
Yeah, it's like quail eggs.
I'm staying away from eggs.
And that one is 1 day old egg.
So they just like recoat it and fry it again?
Yeah, this one is kikiam. We call it kikiam. It's like fish.
Oh, nope,
Squid balls.
nope. So far, nope.
You'll eat a hot dog.
Different kinds of spring rolls. Vegetable, fish, chicken, pork. This one is barbecue. Chicken intestine.
Intestine.
Yeah.
No on that one.
Pork intestine.
Nope.
Pork liver.
I'll just go with like a regular pork one.
Fried fish. And 2 pork.
Oh, that's pretty genius right there. So it like creating nice little bowls. Cool.
It have a soup. Pwedeng buksan. That's the soup.
Oh, okay.
You want vinegar or?
That's really good.
No, it's good.
Yeah. How much was it?
Just 10 pesos.
It's really good. You gotta try it. You can. It's like barbecue pork. Yeah. Look at that dog.
I will try the quack quack and the squid balls.
Alright. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're not actual squid balls. They're just a ball made of squid. Squid balls aren't that big. How's your squid ball?
Hard.
That's it for the street food.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, how is it? You like it?
That pork, that was actually probably the best meat that I've had on the trip so far. Yeah. So that is the end of our day. Didn't really try too many street foods. They didn't really have a whole lot, but what they did have, wasn't really feeling it. I just wanted some meat on a stick.
There's shrimp and animal insides. He wanted
Intestines.
the animal outside.
Yes. But that pork, ooh, it was so good. But anyway, yeah, so we found this market. They closed at 7:30. We got there at like 8:15. We got to be downstairs for breakfast at 6:30. That's super early. And then we're doing another tour tomorrow going around Puerto Princesa. But either way, that was it. Today has been an awesome day, even though a lot of people got sick. That kind of sucks. And hopefully I don't get sick too, because I've had it happen on the Alaska trip, and it was just, it's like the worst thing that could happen when you're on vacation. But anyway, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I mean, for me, not for you. Like next week. Bye.